Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, you will need to turn on your watch. You can do it either by pressing and holding the side button, or by plugging in the device or the watch into a charger, basically that is provided with your device. Simply plug in the one end to the watch, like this, and then the second end into a charging brick or the computer to provide the power. And once you provide the power, the watch should turn on automatically. Once you turn on the watch, you will need to grab your phone and download and install the Polar Flow Sync application on it. So let's open the Play Store on our phone. Give me a second, I need to verify the account. Okay. So once you're in the Play Store, you should see this page. Now tap on search bar and type in Polar Flow and then tap on search button. And you should see this page, Polar Flow application developed by Polar Electro. Let's tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, we can tap on accept, tap on OK right here, and allow the permission for the location. You can also deny it, but it's recommended to allow it. I'm gonna tap on while using the app, and as you can see, the app will prompt me to allow it all the time. So we can tap on OK and tap on allow all the time. If you don't want to, you can go back and tap, basically wrestle with the application until it gives up. But you can also allow it if you want to. Okay, once in the application, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. As you can see on mine, it is, but if it's disabled on your phone, please enable it. And now we need to log in into a Polar account. You can also create a new one if you need to by tapping on create account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in. Tap right here, enter the email address. Then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the credentials, you can tap on sign in to log in. Oh, I must have entered the password wrong, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, this time it worked. Here we can set up the profile, basically, and then you can tap on continue. And then you can tap on get started to basically set up the device. We want to do that. So, but before we continue, let's go back to our watch. Press the side button to wake up the screen on your watch, then press it again to open the menu. Here, scroll down through the menu. For some reason, it's not working. Let's try again. Okay, now it's working. That was weird. But we can scroll down until you find the settings icon. And once you find settings, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general settings and then tap on pair and sync. Then select pair and sync phone. And you should see this page. Basically, it tells you to open the app and bring the phone close. Now, tap on get started in your app and the app should automatically detect your watch, as you can see. Tap on start. You should get the confirmation. Tap on checkmark on your watch. I apologize, the screen is not working too well. But once you tap on the checkmark, you need to also tap on the notifications on your phone. Tap on pair and connect and tap on pair. And as you can see now, the watch is connecting to a phone. watch is syncing with our phone. We can also set up the couple things for our watch, like on which wrist we prefer to wear the watch on, the device language. You can tap and select the language you want to use on your watch, select it, and then tap on done. You can also select the preferred sleep time. You can tap right here and set it up. And once you're done, you can tap save and sync and wait until the watch is completely done syncing with your phone. It might take a while, but let's wait. Okay, so once the watch is done syncing with our phone, you can also go through the introduction of your watch in the app, but I'm gonna tap on skip to skip it. But if you want to see it, you can tap on view introduction. And once the devices are done syncing, you can tap on this icon right here to open the menu. Tap on devices, and you should see your Polar Ignite right here. And you can basically customize settings for it, like language, time format, on which wrist you prefer to wear, and you can also set up alarms or enable the do not disturb mode. But basically, at this point, the watch is paired with our phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.